So you see the sun going down here at picturesque Kalbarri, folks. We've got the fishermen fishing in the river where the river meets the sea, just here. We've got the cruise boat going through there in the back of the lagoon, and yeah, we'll take a walk over to it where this guy caught a beautiful big 8-9 kilo mulloway last night. We came back, we'd walked about 10 kilometres up and back on the northern side of the river. You can see it across the other side there. And all we caught was seaweed fish, which aren't much fun. And of course, got all the way back to this jetty that we'll bring you up to in a moment. And lovely Chinese fella, lovely bloke. He'd landed the most magnificent mulloway in the river. Couldn't believe his luck. So he caught a little live tailor and whacked it on, and that's what we're going to do tonight. We'll hopefully we'll bring home some bacon, but we won't be going out till about, we'll bring home some bacon if we don't catch any fish, that's for sure. But hopefully what will happen is we'll get some live bait, and we'll get a hook up and get one. That'd be fantastic. The conditions haven't been that great this week, but been spending a lot of time up late at night, so in the mornings it's probably been good, but a bit too rough in the afternoons, evenings, and hard to see when you don't know where you're going across there on the other side of the river. But yeah, a lot of fun. You can see little rescue boats down there. Little sea rescue boat. This is the jetty that the guy got his 8-9 kilo mulloway off. 8 or 9 kilos, that's not 89 kilos. Last night. And high tide's going to be late tonight. You can see it's pretty low tide right now. Out there. And this is the bait fish. We'll see if we can come back and get some bait fish later. Going down all the way down the river, we've got to get some crab shed. Haven't done that. Some bream and some crabs. Got to make sure we get plenty of that. Got the boat hide down there in the background. We'll take a walk up here now. See what we can get. Any footage of any people fishing. Great little romantic little spot down there. For all you fisher people, bring your missus up and come up and enjoy it. You just might find the Offa fishing crew lurking around here somewhere as well. You can see the low tide, they're out just doing a little bit of fishing just off the reef there. This guy here's got a snag, just trying to get some bait fish. What a classic. Certainly one of the most beautiful places in the whole world, no doubt. rise up there. Beautiful night for a stroll. Let's go see if they're catching. This guy's having dinner down here. Mainly four-wheel drives up here for a lot of four-wheel driving and tracks and beaches and bush tracks for down the river for fishing, and on the way up north and further south of here people go down to Whitacar Beach, four-wheel drive along the beach there and get their fish. Once again, you'll see the SUVs and four-wheel drives along here, kayaks on top. See all the four-wheel drives up here. People everywhere. There's a swell coming in. Seven Australian records for Taylor. American bluefish have come from out there. So yeah, it's been pretty good as far as one of the best places in the world you can go to catch tailor. Probably the Mecca tailor fishing part of the whole country here. Obviously we got a few the other day, no big ones, but just nice table size. These people are mainly fishing for either whiting or mulloway. Mecca, beautiful place in the world. Great place to retire to, or just have a little holiday place to come up to. Make our way around the point here. Any bites?
Only small stuff.
Yeah. We'll go around the other side in a moment. See if there's any. See if anyone's been able to get out onto the reef at the back. Looking at that wave, I doubt it. Spell's just too big. Go down here and see how this guy's going. I think it's a mate of mine down there. Yeah, it's Derek. We're going to see if he's got any. Any luck? Any luck?
Oh, I'm just like that.
Okay. How many you got?
Hey mate, there you go.
Yeah, good. Any takers out there?
Yeah, there is.
Is there?
The guy next to me just dropped when he dropped his rod in the water.
Oh, really?
I don't know how he did that, but yeah, dropped his rod.
It's good. That's the famous rock that I fell off. How's this for rugged fishing, Western Australia, guys? Well, this guy out here just lost one and dropped his rod in the water. Big swell out here coming in. I'm sure you international, overseas, global viewers probably can't believe this, that we do this. And look at the swell there, a couple of metres. Bang, here. Fishing off the reef into the whitewater for Big Tailor.